Hey guys, welcome to old SmokinSteve. Today we're going to be talking about an accessory that I bought for this big green egg here. I think you guys are really going to love it. It's really versatile and it's called the EGGspander. I'm going to show it to you and show you some different setups, and at the end of the video, in the comment section, I'll have a link to where you can buy one if you want one. So let's get to it, and I'll show you what it's all about. There's several pieces to it, so bear with me as we go through it. Okay guys, here's the original setup. We have our grate and our plate setter down there. We're going to take that out. Just set that aside for the time being. And we're going to go ahead and put this in there. Okay. That's part of the egg adapter. And we have these half grates that we can put in here. Okay. Yep. Get in there. There we go. So there's your setup for searing steaks, burgers, or whatever. And they make griddles, cast iron grates in halves. So you could have several different combinations here. You could put half a ceramic here and maybe a griddle here, or whatever, but there's more. I want to show you more. Okay, gotta wiggle those out of there a little bit. Okay guys, there's two ceramic halves that you can get, and those go down here on this bottom level, and those would serve as your plate setter. So you'd have half here and half here, or you could put half a ceramic here and go here for direct heat, indirect, or you could go ahead and put that down there for a hotter cook, a sear, and something indirect here. Or if you want to do a reverse sear, start out here indirect, gets up to about 115 or whatever, throw it over here and get your sear. So there's two ceramic halves that go down in here. I don't have those yet. I got some coming. You can set this up like this. Have your full grate here, and pretty convenient. It's all here on top, just about at gasket level. A lot easier to get to than down in there. And that's not it yet. There's even more. So figure out how this goes in there. This little adapter. Goes right like that. Okay. Whoops, I got it backwards. So that goes right like that. Then you have another grate. It sits right on there. Like so. Okay, and this slides back and forth. So guys, come on, this is really convenient, and I'm just showing you a little bit that you can do with it. There's a lot more. There's a lot of different combinations you can use, and I think it's well worth the money. You shouldn't need anything else to cook anything, really. A lot of versatility to it, and you know, I think it's great. So I'm going to have a link there in the comment section where you can pick one up if you want it. So guys, that's the review on this. I think they're pretty versatile. I'm going to have a link in the comment section where you can get one. I'm going to have a lot of reviews coming up, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. We're going to have reviews coming up. We're going to be doing some smokes, some cooks, and some instructional videos as well. So be sure to subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.